Hi, and welcome to Flower Budget's Case Study Fridays. Today, we're meeting the Lopezes, a couple focused on building a strong financial foundation and creating a better future together. When the Lopezes first got married, they quickly realized that managing money as a team was different from managing money on their own. They had goals. They wanted to save. They wanted to build wealth. And they wanted to break financial cycles that had affected previous generations in their families. The challenge wasn't a lack of income. The challenge was creating a plan that both of them could follow consistently. Like many couples, they had different money habits and different ideas about spending and saving. Instead of allowing those differences to create conflict, they decided to work together and create shared financial goals. That's when they adopted the Flower Budgets method. 60% for bills and fixed expenses, 20% for variable expenses and everyday spending, 20% for savings and wealth-building goals. The first step was having honest conversations about money. They discussed their goals. They talked about debt. They created savings targets. And they agreed on what financial success looked like for their family. Together, they built a monthly budget and started giving every dollar a purpose. They also created a shared vision for the future. Whether it was buying a home, growing investments, or building financial security, they wanted to move in the same direction. Over time, their consistency began paying off. Their savings grew. Their financial stress decreased. And their confidence increased because they knew they were working towards something meaningful together. One of the biggest lessons they learned was that wealth building isn't just about money. It's about communication, teamwork, and shared goals. Financial success is easier when couples work together. Shared goals create financial alignment. Honest conversations reduce money stress. Every dollar should have a purpose. Consistency creates long-term results. Building wealth starts with a strong foundation. If you're working toward financial goals with a spouse or partner, let the Lopez's story remind you that teamwork can be one of your greatest financial assets. Thank you for joining me for today's Case Study Fridays episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is building a stronger financial future with their partner. And remember, small steps, big blossoms.